Meaning of full color.
Full color.
Full color.
Full color.
Full color. Full color refers to an image or printing process that displays a wide range of colors, allowing for the creation of vibrant and lifelike visuals. This level of color depth typically includes red, green, and blue as primary colors, and various shades and intensities of these colors can be combined to create a vast array of hues. Full-color images are commonly used in advertising, marketing materials, and other forms of commercial design where attention-grabbing graphics are essential. The end result is a visually striking representation of the original subject matter with vivid colors and fine details.